Hi guys, welcome to Lifescience Job Channel. So Division of Environmental Science ICAR Indian Agricultural Research Institute at New Delhi is conducting an online interview and applications are invited for filling the following contractual positions under the following projects. So the eligible candidates are requested to send their application in the enclosed performer along with self-attested scanned copy of original documents. I'll tell what are all the things you have to upload to this email. You can check this email munishari11@gmail.com. So you have to submit this mail before 24th November 2024. After screening, the eligible candidates will be called for interview, which is fixed tentatively on December 1st. It may also change. So kindly check your mail. So they are hiring for many posts. Let's see for serial number 1. Serial number 1, they are hiring for the name of the post YP2 for NICAR project, and for this your salary will be 42,000 per month, and you must have a master's degree in agricultural or agronomy, economics or equivalent with first class with more than 7.5 OGPA. And for second role, second serial number YP2 for NICAR project 2, the salary will be 42,000 and you must have a master's degree in genetics and plant breeding or genetics plant breeding, biotechnology, bioinformatics or equivalent with more than 7.5 OGPA. So desirable expertise in molecular biology, bioinformatics, working experience in field agricultural crops. So if you have some experience in molecular biology or bioinformatics working experience, you will be given preference. Even freshers can absolutely apply for this job, whatever I'm telling. But if you have experience in molecular biology, for this role you will be given a preference. And for serial number 3, YP2 for NICAR project, the salary will be for 42,000 and you must have a master's degree in microbiology, agricultural microbiology, biochemistry or equivalent with more than 7.5 OGPA. And the desirable experience in the areas of agricultural microbiology, biochemistry project, especially in the field of delivery system of biofertilizers equipment such as fermenter, HPLC, electrophoresis and good knowledge of statistical tools are preferred. You will be given preference if you have expertise in any one of this. And for serial number 5, YP2 for NICAR project, the salary will be 42,000 and you must have a master's degree in agronomy, soil science or statistics with first class, and you must have a OGPA of more than 7.5. So desirable proficiency in computer use and data analysis. So for serial number 5, they are hiring for YP2 for NICAR project and you must have an educational qualification of master's degree in soil science, agronomy or agricultural chemistry with first class or more than 7.5 OGPA. The salary will be 42,000 for the same. And the desirable is experience in lab and field work, data analysis and writing skills. If you have this, you will be given preference. And for 6th serial number SRF under ACASA project, the salary will be 37,000 and for this you must have net qualification, that's very mandatory, and you must have an educational qualification of MSc or Mtech in remote sensing and GIS or agricultural physics, natural resources management or equivalent. So they are also given the application format too. You have to take a printout of this and first you have to affix your passport size photograph, a recent one, and you have to put your name, your father's name, and before that you have to mention the post you have applied with the serial number must be indicated here, and you have to then put your name, your father's name, your place and date of birth, your present and permanent address, email ID, mobile number. Make sure you give your mail ID properly because they will communicate with you through your mail ID only. And category and details of educational qualification from 10th standard onwards. So you have to update from whatever education you have done from 10th standard onwards. You have to fill there. You have to put serial number, school, board or university. You have to mention subjects, year of passing and maximum marks obtained and percentage. And you can also mention your research experience. So less than a year experience will not be considered. So your list of publications, if you have one, you can also mention that. So technology or software developed, if you know any, you can also mention that also. Finally, you have to put your date with your signature. So if you scroll down, you will find the declaration form here. You have to submit it in advance by candidates whose relative is an employee of ICAR, IARE or other candidates. So this is must required. So if you have any relatives, your father, your mother or your siblings or your relatives are working in ICAR or IARI, you must, if you have any of them, you have to declare that you have to mention their name, designation and institute and organization and nature of duties. If you don't have any relatives working in ICAR or IARE, you can fill this first one. If you have any relatives working in ICAR, you can fill this second one. And you have to scan and send this declaration form, this annex application form along with your self attested copies of your mark sheets and then other certificates like your net qualification or category certificate. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you.